Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to know the Wi-Fi password or the Wi-Fi network that you are connected to from your phone. A very simple method, all without programs, of course. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video before broadcasting in the explanation. Thank you very much for the support, and thank everyone who subscribed to my channel, and I hope that they get everything they wish for. Let's start the month with God's blessing. First, we download our notification bar and click on the Wi-Fi network icon. We press it for a long time. After that, the devices or Wi-Fi network will appear. We click on the Wi-Fi network that we are connected to. After that, this QR or this special code or barcode for our Wi-Fi network will appear. We download the notification bar and take a screenshot of it. We take a screenshot of this code. After that, we exit and go to the Google search browser. Then we open a new page. After that, we click here on this icon, the image icon or the camera icon next to the microphone icon. We click on it. After this will take us directly to our gallery, and we choose the screenshot we took of the Wi-Fi code or the Wi-Fi QR. After that, we wait a little and all the Wi-Fi network information will appear to us. The code, the name of the Wi-Fi network, and all the information will appear to us. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. No questions. For any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments. Goodbye.